everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Menards credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser, go to the top of the screen and type in Menards credit card login in the search box. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this page. From the search results displayed on the screen, click on this first link that says sign in - manage your Menards big card account online. Soon after you hit that link, you'll be taken to this page. Here, simply go ahead and click on the sign in button in order to log into your Menards credit card account. On the next page, go ahead and type in your username. After you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password correct as well. Make sure to double check your password before moving on by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you want the system to remember your username so that next time you won't have to type it in again, click on this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this box unchecked before logging into your account. If you've forgotten your username or your password during the process, you can retrieve them back by clicking on Forgot Username or Password. Finally, after typing in all of your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Sign In button in green and you'll be logged into your Menards credit card account. Once you log into your account, you'll be able to manage your credit card, make your payments, check your balances, and much more. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. We'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.